Have you ever wished that money could flow to you effortlessly, even while you sleep? Imagine closing your eyes at night, drifting into deep relaxation, and waking up in the morning not just refreshed, but magnetically aligned with wealth, opportunities, and abundance. This is not fantasy. It's not just wishful thinking. Science, ancient wisdom, and modern manifestation practices are beginning to agree on something extraordinary. Your brain has the ability to attract money while you sleep, if you tune into the right frequency. In this video, we'll explore the science of sound frequencies, the power of subconscious reprogramming, and the hidden techniques that allow your mind to attract money in your sleep. By the end, you'll know exactly how to align yourself with abundance, using nothing more than your headphones, your thoughts, and the power of your own brainwaves. So if you're ready to unlock this secret, let's dive in. Most people work tirelessly during the day to earn money, chasing opportunities, hustling, and stressing. But here's the hidden truth. Your subconscious mind does its most powerful work at night. When you're asleep, your conscious mind, the part that doubts, questions, and worries, finally shuts down. That's when your subconscious becomes open, receptive, and programmable. Think about it like this. Your conscious mind is the gatekeeper, and your subconscious mind is the fertile soil. When you're awake, the gatekeeper is active, blocking out new beliefs. But while you sleep, the gatekeeper rests, and that's when you can plant new seeds of wealth, prosperity, and success deep into your subconscious. This is why ancient spiritual teachers, monks, and even modern neuroscientists emphasize the power of nighttime rituals, because during sleep, your brain is most ready to absorb frequencies, affirmations, and new realities. And that's where money frequencies come in. Everything in the universe vibrates. You mean money opportunities, all of it is energy. Your brain also operates on different frequencies. Beta waves when you're awake and alert, alpha waves when you're relaxed and meditative, theta waves when you're dreamy and deeply suggestible, and delta waves when you're in deep sleep and healing. Here's the secret. Theta waves are the golden key to manifestation. When your brain is in the theta state, your subconscious mind is wide open. This is when affirmations, guided visualizations, and especially sound frequencies can reprogram your beliefs around money and abundance. So when you listen to the right money frequency while sleeping, your subconscious mind absorbs it like a sponge, creating new neural pathways that attract opportunities, ideas, and wealth in your waking life. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you're on the wrong frequency, you get static. But once you tune into the wealth channel, you start picking up signals, ideas, synchronicities, lucky breaks, and financial opportunities. So, what exactly is the money frequency? For centuries, different cultures have associated certain tones with abundance. Ancient Sanskrit chants used 528 Hz as a frequency of miracles and transformation. Many modern sound healers consider 432 Hz a natural frequency of harmony and flow. Some manifestation coaches recommend 639 Hz for relationships and networks that lead to wealth. But when it comes to money manifestation while you sleep, the most powerful frequencies often fall between 432 Hz and 528 Hz because they calm the nervous system, open your subconscious mind, and align your vibration with abundance. When paired with affirmations like, "Money flows to me easily," or "I am aligned with prosperity," these frequencies bypass your conscious resistance and install wealth-attracting beliefs deep into your subconscious. Now, let's get practical. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to manifest money while you sleep. First, prepare your space. Make your room peaceful. Dim lights, clear clutter, and make sure your bed feels like a sanctuary. Energy loves clarity. Second, set your intention. Before sleeping, say to yourself, "Tonight, I open my subconscious to the vibration of wealth. Money flows to me while I rest." Third, play the frequency. Use headphones or a speaker to play a wealth frequency track, ideally 432 Hz or 528 Hz, paired with abundance affirmations. Fourth, drift into sleep. Don't force anything. Just relax, and let the sound carry you into deep sleep. Finally, wake up with gratitude. When you open your eyes in the morning, immediately affirm, "Thank you, universe, for the wealth that is flowing to me today." Over time, this ritual reprograms your subconscious to expect, attract, and create money opportunities effortlessly. You might be wondering, does this really work? Let's look at some examples. A woman listened to money affirmations over theta waves every night for 30 days. By the second week, she unexpectedly received a raise at work and new freelance clients. Coincidence or alignment? Another example, a struggling business owner used 528 Hz frequency with visualization before bed. Within weeks, a stalled partnership came back to life, bringing new revenue. Even neuroscientific studies show that repeated affirmations paired with sleep can rewire neural pathways, creating new habits of thought and action that lead to financial success. The truth is, when you align your subconscious with abundance, money has no choice but to find you. But if you've tried manifestation before and didn't see results, here's why. The first mistake is lack of belief. If deep down you think this won't work, your subconscious blocks it. The second mistake is inconsistency. Doing it once or twice won't shift years of limiting beliefs. Commit for at least 21 to 30 days. The third mistake is forcing it. Manifestation is about allowing, not stressing. You don't chase money, you magnetize it. The fourth mistake is ignoring action. Frequencies align your energy, but you must still act on opportunities when they appear. If you want to take your nighttime wealth manifestation even deeper, you can try advanced techniques. One is scripting before sleep, writing down how much money you want and how it feels to already have it. Another is visualization. As you drift off, imagine waking up wealthy, debt-free, and abundant. You can also use subliminal tracks, which are affirmations hidden beneath the frequency for even deeper subconscious absorption. And some people pair this practice with crystals like citron, pyrite, or clear quartz near their bed to amplify the frequency of money. The biggest mistake most people make is thinking that money only comes from hard work. While effort is important, wealth is first and foremost an energy alignment. When you sleep with the right frequency, you bypass the doubts, the fears, and the struggles of your conscious mind, and you let your subconscious take over, magnetizing money while you rest. Remember, your mind is the magnet, money is the metal. Tune your frequency, and it cannot resist coming to you. So tonight, before you close your eyes, remember, you hold the power to manifest abundance while you sleep. Put on the right frequency, set your intention, and let your subconscious attract the wealth you deserve. Because while the world sleeps, your vibration can be working overtime, pulling prosperity into your reality.